Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make stir-fried noodles. First, let's prepare our noodles. Choose a type that holds up well to high heat, like egg noodles or rice vermicelli. Cook them until they are just tender or al dente, which usually takes about 3 to 5 minutes. Immediately rinse them under cold water to halt the cooking process and prevent them from becoming mushy. Finally, toss them with 1 tablespoon of oil to keep them from sticking together. Next, let's get our vegetables and protein ready. Select a vibrant mix of 3 to 5 vegetables, like bell peppers, broccoli, and carrots, ensuring they are all cut into similar bite-sized pieces for even cooking. This step, called mise en place, is crucial for a quick stir-fry. Prepare 8 ounces of your preferred protein, perhaps thinly sliced chicken or shrimp, and marinate it for at least 15 minutes to infuse it with delicious flavor. Now for the heart of any great stir-fry, the sauce. In a small bowl, combine 1/4 cup of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, and 1 tablespoon of sugar. Add 1 teaspoon of fragrant sesame oil for depth. To thicken it slightly, whisk in a slurry made from 1 teaspoon of cornstarch and 2 tablespoons of water. Give it a taste and adjust any ingredients to perfectly suit your palate before cooking. Finally, it's time to bring it all together. Heat your wok or large skillet over very high heat until it just begins to smoke. First, stir-fry your 8 ounces of protein until it's almost cooked through, then set it aside. Next, add your harder vegetables, cooking them for about 1 minute, then add the softer ones for another 30 seconds. Return the protein and noodles to the pan, pour in your prepared sauce, and toss everything quickly to combine and coat evenly. Serve immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.